See how it's flying?
Where
It's
is
an
it?
airplane.
Why is it disappearing like that?
Baby, because it's got lights that are pointed down. So as soon as it turns where we can't see
Then
it.
why doesn't it have the red and white light?
No, baby, it's an airplane, like a fake, like a little airplane.
Like a glider?
Yeah, like a glider or a RC airplane. Maybe it's a kite, possibly.
That's so cool.
It could be a kite. Pretty cool. That's neat looking. Boy, I bet that freak some people out. They could.
It's freaking me out. Jesus Christ. Who's letting their kid talk to them like that?
Why are they yelling like that? It's like a spaceship. Is it a UFO?
I can't believe, Chloe, I can't believe we got it working.
Can you see
Oh, you
it?
guys got it? Mm-hmm.
You can see it in the video camera?
Oh, I can't see it close up.
But you can see that it's flying in the sky.
Yeah. Here, I'll zoom out. Here. See, we're right here in our backyard.
What
And
if it
there's
comes over us?
What I did was mess around with.
Now look at the shape of it. Del, I want you to come. Wow.
What is it?
I don't want to ruin it for you. I know you're excited, baby.